everybody, it's Ron Henry's How To's. I'm going to show you how to make Greek lamb Kleftiko. Let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on a 2 kilo piece of lamb shoulder. This has the bone in as well. Now you can do this with lamb leg as well. You don't have to do it with the bone, you can do boneless, but with the bone all that flavour stays there. So the first thing we'll do is just score the top of this, just like that. And we're just going to sprinkle about a teaspoon of salt on top. A couple of cracks of black pepper, about 2 tablespoons of dry oregano, half a teaspoon of dried thyme. So I'm going to set that to the side now. I've just got 5 garlic cloves here, and all we're going to do with these is just smash them. Just like that. Add that on top of our lamb like so. And then we're just going to top about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil on top. And we're just going to rub that all in. Make sure to turn around and get the other side too. And really get in there. Just like that. And we'll keep this garlic here. So guys, next I'm just going to bring across 1 lemon. And what we're going to do is just slice this. And we're just going to get them just a little bit thick like that. So it's about 1/2 centimeter thick. We'll set that to the side. And next we'll need about 5 small potatoes. And all we're going to do with these is just dice them like that, I should say. So guys, I'm just going to get the lemons and put them on the base of my slow cooker like so. Next we'll add the potatoes on top. Next I'm just going to add in about 1/2 cup of white wine. Now this is optional, you can replace this with water if you like. Next we'll place our lamb straight on top like so. I'm just going to sprinkle in that garlic. And we'll just add in 3 to 4 bay leaves like so. Okay, and that's all there is to it guys. So we're going to put the lid on our slow cooker, we're going to turn it to low temperature, and we want to cook this for about 10 hours. If you are in a rush, you can cook this on a high heat for about 6 to 7 hours. Alright guys, so I'm just at the 10-hour mark now. I've just switched off my slow cooker, and just look at that. I mean, words can't describe the aroma. Now for the real test, just look at that. That meat is just falling apart. That's what you want. So let's go ahead and serve this. So I've just taken the lamb out, and look at our beautiful slow cooked potatoes. How beautiful did they look. Alright guys, and there we have it. Just look at that. So I've just garnished it with some fresh mint as well. But I mean, look at that meat. Just look at it fall off that. So your possibilities are endless here. You can have it like this with the potatoes, but what you can do is actually keep on shredding this and make a really nice gourmet sandwich with it. So guys, let me know in the comments who you're going to make this dish for. Let me know if there's anything you're going to change about it. As always, be sure to like, comment, be subscribed, and turn on post notifications. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. As for me, it's currently 11 o'clock and I am starving. Just melts in your mouth. I'll see you guys next time.